Hey scholars, this is a quick tutorial to help you guys log on to Schoology in order to complete your assignments for each of your courses. We're going to start on the Google webpage and you're going to type in the MPS website. That's mps.k12.al.us. Once you have located the MPS homepage, maneuver over to the Students column and click. Underneath Students, find Schoology and click. When you log on, a pop-up box is going to come in and ask you which account you'd like to use in order to sign in to Schoology. Make sure you are using your school credentials in order to log in. And there you go. You can maximize your screen. You should be able to see all of your courses. And you'll be ready to complete your assignments.